Section 2. Programming your robot to move. In this section, we first explore the basics of movement and programming. Then we take a look at steering. Then we try to put the two together to drive in a rectangle. Then we drive in a triangle. And last, we put everything together in a fun challenge that tests our knowledge. Introduction to motors. In this video, we will take a look at the movement, how to make a robot move, how to make it turn, and what makes it move in the first place. So, let's answer that last question in this video. The Lego EV3 robot you can see here moves using motors. There are two types of motors it uses. There's the large motor and there's the medium motor. Both of these motors are servo motors, which means that they count the amount of degrees they have moved, which allows you to take precise measurements and movements. The medium motor is slower, but it has more power, so it's suitable for moving the wheels. And the medium motor is smaller but has more speed, and this allows you to use it in robot arms and other stuff like that. Basic movements. Let's use programming blocks to make the robot move as we want it to. Alright, so we're here in the new program section. As you see, here's a big white canvas where we can put our programming blocks, and there's 3 sections down here which have different types of them. So we're currently looking only in the green section, and what you want to do is take this block with the icons of a steering wheel and 2 large motors on it, and just drag and drop it here. So if this is a bit small, you can just pinch to zoom in and out like this. So this block has a few parameters, and we're currently interested in speed or power, which is the middle one here with a speedometer icon, and you can use it to make it go faster or slower. And the other icon is here, which is rotations, and this is how many motor rotations the robot will do. So let's put it at 5. Now to download the program, what you want to do is press this start button here. As you see, the robot moved for quite some distance. Now, what do you do if you want to make it go backwards? Well, that's actually pretty simple. So you take this power that I talked about earlier, and you just move the slider all the way down, so it goes into a negative number. And if we run the same program again now, you will see that it goes backwards.